Ready to skyrocket your WHOP sales by offering customers the flexibility they crave? Let's integrate Afterpay step by step. First, log into your WHOP dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. It's usually located in the bottom left corner now. Click on Integrations or a similar tab that manages payment gateways. You'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll until you find Afterpay. If you don't see it directly, look for a section labeled something like Payment Gateways or Alternative Payment Methods. Click on the Afterpay option. You might see a button that says Connect, Set Up, or Activate. Click it. This will likely redirect you to Afterpay's platform. You will need to log into your Afterpay merchant account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one first. Follow Afterpay's instructions to generate your API keys. Make sure to copy both your merchant ID and secret key. Return to WHOP and paste your Afterpay merchant ID and secret key into the appropriate fields. Double-check that you have entered the correct keys, or your integration will not work. After entering your keys, click Save or Connect. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Afterpay integration is successful. Now, your customers will see Afterpay as a payment option at checkout. Finally, test the integration by making a small purchase through your WHOP. Be sure the Afterpay option is shown and that the transaction processes correctly. Now you're ready to provide your customers with even greater financial flexibility.